Teşekkürler. 235 liras.
Dollars, more or less.
It's like 50 cents.
Okay. And you can stop these buses everywhere on the street?
Anywhere you like.
So they don't have bus stops. At
No.
least these smaller ones, you can just call them on the street and just go out, which is amazing. Hello guys! I am here in Istanbul. It's my last day and this is my boyfriend Ali. He's Turkish. He grew up in Ankara, but now his family lives in Istanbul, so we are here. And today on the last day, he's gonna show me around. So tell us what's the itinerary.
So right now we're in Kadıköy, and then we're gonna take a ferry across the Bosphorus here and see some historic stuff that every tourist does. But then in the evening we're gonna come back to Kadıköy and hang out with some of my old friends in Moda, which is a beautiful local neighborhood. Apparently very lively now, since I don't live in Istanbul anymore. I don't really know, but we'll see.
Great. Can't wait. Let's go.
It was 3 liras per person, which is about 60 cents. Called the Istanbul card. If you get one of those, you can go from the airport to anywhere in the city, or you can take the ferries, and I think the bus too. This building was the train station, and now they're doing a renovation, and I think it's over 100 years old, and this is a great memory from my childhood. Like, we would take the train from Ankara to Istanbul, and the train would always end here. And then the first steps to the city is you're looking at the most beautiful, I don't know, Bosphorus, and the smell of the sea was like, you know, the sign that we are in Istanbul. We were in Istanbul. I'm shameful, but I don't remember the name. But he flew from the tower to the sea. It's Galatas.
So the first man who flew was Turkish?
Well, I don't know. But there was this crazy man at the Ottoman times, I think it was 1700s, who made those wings and flew from Galata Tower down to, I think, this canal, which is the Golden One.
I couldn't leave Istanbul without at least visiting Hagia Sophia, so we are here now. This is Hagia Sophia and we're going to visit it very fast. and then go down and continue our tour. And by the way, I didn't know that Hagia Sophia is actually one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Pretty big deal, huh? So what are we eating? What is this? You can find this everywhere in Istanbul.
Yes, not only in Istanbul, everywhere in Turkey actually. You can. This is called simit, which is, we can say, the bagel of Turkey, maybe, but it's better than a bagel.
Don't call it a bagel.
I know.
It's very tasty actually. It's crunchy and it's full of flavor and soft inside. I really like it.
Exactly. I'm from Ankara, and the people from Ankara believes that the best ones are in actually Ankara. So we're really not eating a great example of this, but it's still delicious.
What are we doing next now?
So now we're going to Karaköy, and we're gonna go up the tunnel and to Taksim. And
You said we're not gonna go to Taksim though.
well, we're not gonna climb all the way to the top of it, but we're gonna go to Galata. So I don't know. We're just walking.
Okay, but we're gonna take the bus now.
Yeah, we're gonna take the I don't know what they call metro bus.
Metro bus?
There was a rail. It used to be really pretty, but now they are very
like the
technological.
tram.
That's the tram, exactly. It's a tram.
Okay. So how much are we paying for this trip?
I'm not sure. I think it's all 3 liras, which is like 60 cents. Oh, 2.60. 2 liras 60 kurush. So it's not even 50 cents anymore. You know, the dollar value fluctuates every day so much that it's hard to keep track, but it's very cheap. It's pretty much like 40, 50 cents, something like that. You know, transportation in Turkey seems very cheap. Like cabs are fairly cheap too. But the problem I think the Turkish are having right now is that everything else is based on, it's pretty much similar as a foreign country, especially a Western country like Europe. For example, we bought gas to go to take a trip to Ankara to our car, and to fill up a tank we simply paid the same amount of money that I would pay in the United States, $50 or so to fill up a tank. And when you think the monthly minimum wage of a person in Turkey is about $360, so as you see, some of the stuff is very, very expensive. we're going back. We're walking on Istiklal. Istiklal Yes.
Istiklal,
Means freedom.
which is the touristy place par excellence, I think, in Istanbul.
Yeah, but this used to be the place full of like nightlife. Actually, I think historically this was the place for the rebels. Like back in Ottoman times, this was the neighborhood where all the trainees lived and people degenerates lived and partied. So and it was like that up until like 12 years ago. And now it feels more like a shopping mall for tourists, but it's still beautiful. It's still beautiful. Now we're walking down this street called Tunnel, and we're gonna take ferry back to Kadıköy to meet our friends at Moda.
And we're gonna buy a flute
And we're gonna buy a ney. It's called ney.
for Ali.
Yes.
He wants to learn to play.
Yes, because it's never too late to learn, you know? I mean, I'm an old guy, but whatever. Now we are back in Kadıköy.
Okay, you're gonna make the vlog then.
Yes, this is my vlog now. Now I'm a YouTuber.
Well, since you are the guide and I don't know where you're taking me,
So
please
now
continue.
we are going to go have dinner at Chia, which is supposed to be very good. It was on a Netflix show and everything. So, but then and we are meeting a friend of ours or two, I think, and then we're gonna go have drinks.
What is a Chia?
Chia is a restaurant.
Like a kind of restaurant?
No, it's the name of the restaurant. It
Oh,
is known with like cooking real traditional Turkish food. So that's what we'll do.
Sounds interesting. Let's see. But usually people who claim that they cook the traditional food, then they really don't, right? At least in Italy it's like that, it works like that. So if you go visit Italy and you see like a sign, real Italian food, don't trust that because that's not where locals go.
That's true. I don't know.
Locals don't need a sign with that says that it's real food.
Yeah,
real
that's
local
generally
food.
the case with everywhere. But this guy supposed to be the real. Again, I've never eaten that, but this guy's supposed to be the real deal. He even has. It was on an episode of this famous Netflix show, Chef's Table.
Oh, I know it.
Okay. There was an episode about him, and I've heard about him many times before. So we're gonna go try. All I'm gonna say is this: I don't think he will be able to beat my mom's cooking. So. But
I do agree. I tried it. It's the best Turkish food I've ever had in my life.
There you go.
It's some of the best food I've ever had in my life.
My mom is the best. My mom is the best.
Elif.
Yes.
from the place we were to the restaurant, Google Maps said 12 minutes by car, but 5 minutes by walking. And now I understand why, because we are passing this market.
We have failed miserably. We ate too much at Chia, and which was good, but I mean, my mom's food obviously
Oh,
is 10
absolutely.
times better, but it was good, whatever. So we didn't go to Moda to drink with our friends, so now we're going home. It's your fault.
I didn't even know that we're getting into a taxi.
Oh, we got a cab, which was about $4.
Yeah, $4. We drove for like, what, 20 minutes?
Yes, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes, but the taxi driver was like the craziest taxi driver.
It was a crazy old timer. I say I call
Like,
him
yeah.
an old timer.
A real Turkish old-timer.
Driver, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That's all, everybody. This was my vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace.